terrified of bugs.
That's okay, baby. I got your back.
They're locusts. They're like flying helmets.
Dark helmet. Spaceball.
Say hi.
Hi. Hold on.
Hi, hi, hi.
Let's try that again. Hi,
Hi, hi, hi. We'll get in sync one day. So one day, I'm sitting here, and I have the balcony door open, and it's summertime, so of course, you know, the bugs are out. There's a tree. How far would you say that tree is?
Oh, 50 yards.
50 or so yards away from the building. And a freaking locust flies into the apartment through the open balcony door and lands on my shoe.
That's actually a 7-year cicada.
What?
The locust. We call them locusts, but they're actually a 7-year cicada.
7-year cicada. Okay, well, that thing, the flying helmet head, it flew into the apartment and landed on my shoe. And so I went to get a fly swatter and ended up tripping and falling throat first into the kitchen table. So that was fun. So now we're planning on moving to the country. Brain power at its best, let me tell you. So this should be interesting.